Hello everyone, we are back with a part 3 of Firecrackers, I guess. I don't know how many packs we have here exactly, but we are going to be doing a demo of all of these that you see here. Some of these you may have seen on the channel. I may have just, shot a pack or something, but we're actually going to do them again in this video. Some of these you haven't seen. We have the Lady Crackers here by Flashing Fireworks. We got the Shogun 12s, Lady Crackers by the Works, Vikings, the Black Cat Lady Fingers, American Firecrackers, Red Lantern Lightning Crackers, Firecrackers, Mad Hornet 12s, No Name Firecrackers, Alien Star Bombs, Big Lady Firecrackers, and then we have the American Outlaw series, Jesse James Limited Edition, Red Hot 12s. Coming down here we have the Warpath, and then Thunderbomb 16s, Red Hot 16s, and then the Full Blast Lady Crackers. That is a strip of 80. And last up we'll do the El Toro 50s. And that should cover just about every firecracker over the last videos that I've done, the 3 videos where I've shot off all these packs. This will be the 3rd one. That should cover all the different brands of firecrackers that I have. So with that said, guys, we're going to go ahead and we'll get some of these opened up. We'll be right back and we'll start shooting them off. Up first, guys, we have the Flashing Fireworks Lady Crackers. These are the Shogun 12s. These are the Works Lady Crackers. These are the Viking Crackers from Shelton's. I really like those crackers, guys. Look at all that smoke. I really like those. These are the Black Cat Lady Finger Firecrackers. Those are nice, guys. If you can find them, I would suggest picking up as many as you can. Alright, guys, up next we have the Alien Star Bomb. These are from Shelton. These Lady Fingers have no name. They're just called Lady Fingers. They were the ones that had the lion on the label. So you can really tell the difference in the Lady Fingers. The Black Cat Lady Fingers were much louder than any of the other Lady Fingers we've had so far. These are the Mad Hornet 12s. These are from Shelton's. Not impressed with those, not impressed at all. But I guess they weren't bad. Up next, these are the Red Lantern Lightning Crackers. Pretty good. These are the Great American Fireworks Firecrackers. that smoke ring. Oh, it just went away. All right. What do we have coming up next, Tay?
Lady Fingers by Big.
All right, some more lady fingers. I got a feeling they ain't gonna be as good as those black cats, though. They weren't bad, but they were not nowhere near those black cats. Up next, we have the Red Hot Firecrackers by Shelton. These will be the 12s, guys. 16s will be coming up in a little bit. These are the American Outlaw series. These are the Jesse James Firecrackers. Got the stars or something on them there. All right, we're going to see how they do, guys. Not too bad. Up next, we have the Warpath from Shelton. These are the 12s. I didn't buy any of the 16s. I just bought the 12s, so let's hope they're good. A little slow, but not too bad. These are the Thunderbombs. They're just generic Thunderbombs. Got the kind of the cool label on them, but no specific brand with them. Pretty good crackers, guys. Red Hots, guys. These are the 16s. Let's see if they're any better than the 12s. I think they went a little quicker than the 12s did. Up next, we have Lady Fingers by Full Blast. This is an 80 strip. And finally, these are the El Toro 50 strip. Guess this will be our finale, guys. Let me know what you thought about all these down below, and please like and subscribe. Alright, I really like those, guys. Looked like they had quite a bit of titanium in them. Thank you so much for checking it out. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And just thank you guys so much for watching Light of the World Fireworks.